Hi, I'm Greg from Sanifos SFA. I'd like to introduce an exciting new product, the Sanifos 280. Now the Sanifos 280 is a fully pre-packaged in-ground pump station, 280 litre capacity. It's ideal for granny flats or smaller single dwellings where you may only have 1 or 2 occupants. The Sanifos 280 comes complete with a high level alarm, 1500 watt cutter pump, quality internals, fully pre-packaged, ready to go. The unit is engineered to ACE 1546, heavy duty polyethylene tank with a 500 kilo rated lid. It's fully Australian approved as per the standards. Let's talk about internals. As mentioned, the unit comes fully pre-packaged with quality hydraulic assembly, complete with isolation valve, non-return valve, stainless steel lifting chain, and the Sanipump 1500 watt cutter pump. All the units in the Sanifos range come with a flexible drilling zone. Now this allows you flexibility for your invert levels and the depth of the tank in the ground. For further information on the Sanifos 280, please go to our website. From there you can download instruction files, product page, or you can have a look at the rest of the Sanifos range.